Hi guys, this is Crewkerne. We have an intro of Crewkerne Level Crossing in Somerset with Onar 10. Here's your LEDs. Keep crossing clear sign. Phone. There's your phone box. There we go. Crewkerne Level Crossing to call Basingstoke Area Sickness Centre. Lift handset and press button. Lift handset, press button, wait for answer. Crewkerne Level Crossing BAE to 130 meters, miles 30 CH station 443083. So that's what the phone box is, guys. That's the phone box. There's the plaque for the. Let's read the sign over here. There's a sign here. That's an old sign. Here's your other phone box here. Same thing. Warning: do not trespass on the railway. Penalty £1,000. £1,000. Here's your other set of LEDs. Keep crossing clear sign. Phone box. Look at these LEDs compared to the others. Look at these LEDs. This is the normal LEDs with those things. Take a look at this level crossing LEDs. Look at this wigwag over here. Look at that. Twisted, the wigwag lights. They're a bit twisted. Penguin barriers. Yod alarm. Very weird one. Same over here. Here's your other Yod alarm. Yeah, there's your Yod alarm. Yeah, do not trespass on the railway, £1,000. And yeah, there you go. That's. Oh yeah, I've got this side. Sorry, guys. And over here, it's the same light. There's the other sign for it. Temporary closed to Telford Road. Date 3rd of October. That's all done. There's a track down there. Warning: do not trespass on the railway. Penalty £1,000. Here's your other phone box. Yeah, there we go, guys. There's a train due at 57, so I'll get on to the video in a moment. But yeah, there we go. That's one video. Thank you, guys. See you in the next video.